Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Guys, I'm in hysteric laughter right now. Babe is like literally like peeing himself. He needs to go.
Pull over somewhere, no man.
Oh shit, hang on. Oh my god. Wait, look at this idiot. What's he doing?
Babe,
See what I mean?
I'm myself, babe.
Guys, this guy's peeing himself. Why is he peeing himself? Because why?
Babe, I can't.
He has an ultrasound. What are you laughing for? Oh, why are you laughing?
Babe.
Now you know what it feels like for pregnant women to go get ultrasounds done.
Babe,
alright?
pull over the car.
I will pull over the car. Give me time. Guys.
Babe, I can't do this, babe. I'm telling you, babe.
He was like literally about to pull out his dingling, guys, and pee all over the car.
Babe, please,
I can't pull over in people's yards, man. He can't hold it anymore, guys. Okay, half it. Only half. Half.
Babe, I cannot stop it once it starts, babe.
Half it.
You're not understanding what I'm saying to you. I cannot stop once I start.
Yes, you can. You got to hold your muscles together.
You're not hearing me, babe. Once it starts flowing, babe, you cannot stop it, babe.
He failed, guys. He failed his ultrasound today. Well, you still got another 20 minutes to drink water. What are you doing putting it all over my car?
What are you talking about, man?
Sanitize your hands, man. Ireland could probably hold it better than you.
Felt like I was about to die, yo. Let me tell you that. My whole belly cramp up, yo. Cause that's...
Hold it.
Blessings Island Tribe. So my father-in-law Ruben brought me some tomato tree. You see it, so some of the plant them and things. So him take them right from him. He lives in garden at home and things. So yeah, same like what me I do here so far. So and just give me them here to start off with as well. Yeah, did for plant them from earlier today, but we did have to go up on the road, so didn't have time. So I go plant them, I know. You'll see that. So this is the place I plow up recently. Me today, my guys. Yeah, man. So I go down another hole, yeah. This are the tomato them. Yeah guys, so this are the tomato them. Yeah man. Just about water them now. Lively them up, you know, you see it. They come over from now. Beef veggies and fruits, you know. Brother Lemon. That's a root time. Look like we're about to get some evening rain as well. See the sky look. Yeah man. The garden even done yet guys, you see me? So I bring it all the way go up that way. Yeah, so that's the plan. But as I say, father-in-law bring over some tomatoes, so I just have to put them in the ground right away, you see it? Yeah man. I go all the way up there. Have some, you know, don't have to buy certain thing, you see it, so it's a good look. Yeah, I won't forget a banana tree soon still. You know, the other day we actually see a couple on the roadside, but we never really have no machete or anything for like dig them out. So yeah, so that's why we never take out none of the banana sucker them, you see. But next time I make sure I even bring a knife, because we don't have a machete still. So next time when I pass back that place, definitely gonna get one of those sucker and bring it home. I don't know. I don't have to buy banana and all them thing there. Any little thing we can, when it comes to veggies or anything like that, it's nice if we can plant it, you see it. So we don't have to spend money on certain things, save back. So guys, earlier the neighbor dropped off some veggies and thing like that. So this is what he dropped off. Well, the guy dropped off. Yeah. Actually, it's not the first time I saw, you know, the neighbor like drop off like veggies and stuff like that, you see it. So yeah, people them around here they share, you see it. Don't remember what you call this. Remind me guys in the comment section. Yeah, so maybe whenever we have enough in our garden to use it to do the same. So it's a good look. Yeah man. It look like it's about to rain again this evening. Yesterday was the same. This evening again, so I'm gonna hurry up and take out them clothes here. So be also bringing in the car right now because we might have a hailstorm, you know. So we have to make sure so we secure, cause it seems like Australia been getting a lot of hail recently.